Hey friends, coming out of my garden to you. So today we're doing something a little different. Instead of my usual cooking, I thought we'd share a little trip I took with Josh last year. It was along the Kinabatangan River, and it was really, I wouldn't say getting in touch with nature, closer to it than perhaps us city folk are a little more used to, but it was truly an eye-opener. And I think that's Nigel's time for joy today. Get out of your own space. It's a good thing to do. And last year, especially at the end of that long confinement, it was heaven sent. I hope you enjoy this trip that we took up the Kinabatangan River. In 2022, when the world began to open up again, Josh and I decided to take a short jaunt up the Kinabatangan River, and here's a video of that trip. Once you park the car by the Sepilok Orang Utan Wildlife Sanctuary, you get picked up in a minibus, and this takes you to the jetty, which in turn takes you to the boat that goes to Uncle Tan's Wildlife Adventures. Make sure you remember your SPF because there is no shelter on this little boat. And honestly, if it's the middle of the day, you are going to get burnt if you are fairer skinned. It's like a wildlife haven around here. It's like an open zoo, so keep your eyes open. You'll see everything everywhere. Okay, kamar kami. Uncle Tan's Wildlife Adventures is not a 5-star resort. It is, at the end of the day, a basic place where you can lay your head while you go and explore the Kinabatangan River and all its glories. It is comfortable, it is clean, but don't expect it to be the Ritz. Oh, and don't forget your mosquito repellent and insect repellent. You're basically living in the middle of a mangrove swamp in the tropics, so mosquitoes, insects, everything everywhere all at once. Dinner was generous and it was Asian. This is what we call zap fan in our Cantonese and nasi campur in Bahasa Malaysia. And after that, by the light of the full moon, we went out to look for the nightlife. In pitch darkness, this is what we'll be doing most of the time. The boatman actually shining his spotlight onto the banks of the river to catch sight of animals that have come out to feed. Basically, nightlife. As many of the animals as I can remember, but yeah, the ones I don't name, obviously I don't remember. was so amazingly peaceful and cool as we felt the breeze in our hair, or at least Josh's hair, and the sun rising in the east. Carp, river carp. Oh my god! This is patin? Yeah! Oh my god! was a short trip, but it really opened my eyes to the abundance of nature and what we have to offer as Malaysians and how little we appreciate it. In a way, I feel a little ashamed and embarrassed that I had to walk in the footsteps of Judi Dench and David Attenborough and all these explorers who are also celebrities in their own right, who came to visit these places way before I even thought about it. I'm grateful I did, and I must say I can absolutely wholeheartedly recommend it to anyone. So if you're ever thinking about a trip out to Sabah and Sarawak, please like and subscribe to this video, and also do come and visit our gorgeous country, Malaysia. Goodbye, Uncle Tan's Wildlife. Thanks for watching. Click like, hit the subscribe button, and mash that notify bell, and we'll see you next time.